Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on online classes with Coursera, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Coursera website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Explore the course catalog to find subjects that interest you. Use filters to narrow down courses by price and level. Look for courses labeled as free or audit options. Select a course you're interested in. Click on the course title for more details. Review the syllabus and requirements to ensure it fits your needs. If available, choose the audit option to access the course without payment. Check for financial aid options if you want a certificate. Complete the financial aid application, providing necessary details. Wait for the application approval, which usually takes a few weeks. Once approved, enroll in the course with the financial aid applied. Take advantage of Coursera's free trials for special features when available. Check for promotions or discounts that Coursera may offer. Consider joining study groups or forums for free collaborative learning. Regularly check your email for updates on new courses and offers. Engage in free learning resources available on Coursera's blog. Track your progress periodically to stay motivated. Complete your courses at your own pace, focusing on understanding rather than speed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.